Now, Act 1, Scene 2, Ferdinand's speech. We will start from there. According to Ferdinand, some heavenly spirit is singing the song. The sound is not coming from earth, rather it is coming from some heavenly spirit. And Ferdinand is saying that the deity means the divine spirit does remember the drowned father. That is, drowned father means Alonso, who had suffered the shipwreck and had drowned in the sea. So that deity, that spirit who is singing the song, is remembering the drowned father, means is remembering King Alonso, who was father of this man Ferdinand, and that's why that deity, that spirit is singing this song. And this song is not something which is produced from earth. No earthly being is singing this song. Rather, it is a divine song, divine sound coming from above. Prospero, the fringed curtains of thine eyes advance and say, what thou seest yon. Now Prospero is saying to Miranda as he heads her out from the cave, lift up your eyelashes that veil your eyes. Lift up your eyelashes means open your eyes and lift up the eyelashes that have covered your eyes. And he says, and tell me what you can see at a distance, and tell me whatever you are able to see, whatever you are able to observe at a distance. Miranda, what is it? Is it a spirit? Now Ferdinand is standing there and Prospero wants Miranda to see Ferdinand, and now he is asking Miranda that open your eyes, uncover your open your eyelashes and see, and tell me what can you observe outside the cave. So Miranda is saying that what is it? Whatever Ferdinand is standing over there, so Miranda is confused and she's saying that what it is? Is it a spirit? Is it some spirit which is under your control? Is it some spirit that whom you control? Lord, how it looks about. Believe me, sir, it carries a brave form. A brave form means a noble form. But this a spirit. But this is an angel. Now Miranda is saying, oh God, how it casts glance all around. Means it has created a great aura all around it, and I think it is a spirit, and it is a very humble, very noble, angel-like spirit. Prospero, no wench, it eats and sleeps and has such senses. No, my girl, this is not a spirit. It eats, it sleeps, and it has all the senses that we have. All such senses as we have. Such this gallant which thou seest. Gallant means write down, such this fine or brave fellow. Was in the wreck. Such this gallant or fine or brave fellow was in the wreck means was in the ship which has been wrecked. But he is something stained with grief. He is something surrounded or spotted with grief. He is something stuck up. He has something which has stuck him up with grief, with sadness. That's beauty canker. Write down the meaning of the word canker. Worm that destroys. Thou mightest call him a goodly person. He hath lost his fellow and strays about to find them. Now, beauty's canker means Prospero is telling Miranda that he is a handsome person, but due to the shipwreck, due to the condition that he has faced, his face has become a little bit pale, but you can say that he is a handsome person, and he is a handsome person, but since he has lost all his fellow members who were traveling with him in the ship. That is why he is straying, means he is loitering, he is moving here and there to find them. Miranda, I might call him a thing divine, for nothing natural I ever saw so noble. Now Miranda is saying that I would like to call him something which is sent from above, which is divine, which is not natural, because I have not seen something, I have not seen a living being like him before. Why Miranda has not seen any living being like him, like Ferdinand before? Because she was brought on this island when she was only 2.5 years of age, and since then she has seen only her father Prospero, and she has seen Caliban, who is half beast and half human, and they are the only two persons present on the island. That is why Miranda is saying that Ferdinand is something divine. Ferdinand is not a human, not a normal human being, but he has some. According to Miranda, he has some divine quality. Prospero, it goes on, I see. Prospero, whatever now Prospero is speaking, he is not speaking this in front of Miranda, as it is written aside, means he is standing separately and speaking. It goes on, I see, means there was some purpose due to which Ferdinand has been brought to this place where Prospero's cell is, and that is why Prospero is saying it goes on, I see, means the purpose for which the Ferdinand was brought there, that is, he wanted Miranda and Ferdinand to fall in love with each other and marry each other. So he is saying that that purpose has started. He has that feeling has started building in them. As my soul prompts it, spirit, fine spirit, I will free thee within 2 days for this. Means now he is saying that Prospero is saying that I can see whatever intentions I had, whatever plans I had for bringing Ferdinand over here, they have started working, they have started showing results. So for whatever Ariel did to do this, whatever pains Ariel took to do this task, for this task I am going to let you free within a day or two. Ferdinand, most sure the goddess of whom these airs attend, vouchsafe my prayers. Ferdinand is saying, on seeing Miranda, when Ferdinand sees Miranda at the first sight, Ferdinand says, surely she must be goddess for whom the music has been playing. Surely she is the incarnation of some divine goddess because of whom the music was being played. Vouchsafe my prayers. Grant me my prayers. May know if you remain upon this island. May know if you remain upon this island. May I know if you live upon this island, and that you will some good instruction give. Instruction give, right, and be gracious enough to tell me how I should conduct myself here, how I bear me, how I may bear me, means how I may conduct myself here. And you should be humble enough. The spirit, that is Miranda, he is telling Miranda that since you are a divine, you are a godly spirit, I request you that I want to know that whether you live upon this island or not, and if you live upon this island, I would request you to give me good instruction, pass on good information to me, that how should I behave on this island, how should I behave on this island. My prime request, prime means first, my first request which I do last pronounce is, oh you wonder if you be made or no. Oh you wonderful creature, are you one made by God, or you are an unmarried maid? Unmarried maid means, are you an unmarried lady? Miranda, no wonder sir, means I am no wonderful creature, I am not a wonderful creature sir, but certainly a maid, but certainly unmarried lady. Ferdinand, my language heavens, My language heaven means God, she speaks in my own language. In whichever language Ferdinand is speaking, Miranda is also speaking the same language. So Ferdinand says that she speaks the same language as Ferdinand speaks. I am the best of them that speak this speech. Were I but this spoken. Now Ferdinand is saying that I am the noblest of those who speak this tongue, who speak this language. I mean, I should have been in Milan where it is spoken. That is, I should have been in Milan, not here on this island, because this language is spoken in Milan. How the best? How do you say the noblest? Now Prospero is saying, how can you say that this language is only spoken in Milan? How can you say so? What wert thou if the king of Naples hurt you? What would be your position if the king of Naples hear you saying your words? Hears you saying your words. Ferdinand, a single thing, write down a lonely thing, as I am now, that wonders to hear thee speak of Naples. I am a solitary thing, and I am at present, as I am at present, because all my crew members are not without me. And I wonder how much you speak of the king of Naples, and I wonder how you speak, and I don't know how you are aware of king of Naples. He does hear me, and that he does I weep. He does hear me means if he is drowned, then also I suppose that he must be hearing me, and that he must be observing me, that I am weeping, I am shedding tears because he is not with me. Myself am Naples. He is saying that myself am Naples means with mine eyes never since at ebb beheld, write down the meaning of the word ebb, without tears, beheld the king my father wrecked. Means myself am Naples. I saw with my eyes which have not been dry. I saw with my own eyes. Now he is weeping, and he is saying that he saw with his own eyes how he was actually how his father has actually been drowned in the shipwreck. Miranda, alack for mercy. Alack for mercy means, alack, I pity you. I feel bad for you. Ferdinand, yes, Fate and all his lords, the Duke of Milan and his brave son being finished. Yes, Fate means, yes, believe me, it was so, and all my father's courtiers were killed along with him, and the Duke of Milan means, Antonio over here. The Duke of Milan is Antonio, because previously the Duke of Milan was Prospero, and we had earlier read in the scene that Antonio had ditched Prospero and taken away the dukedom from him. So now it is sure that Antonio was also in the ship along with King Alonso, and the Duke of Milan and his brave son being twain, and Duke of Milan and his handsome son being the others who have perished in the shipwreck, who have lost their lives who have been finished in the shipwreck. Prospero aside, the Duke of Milan and his braver daughter could control thee. Now aside means he is standing away from them, and he is speaking, and he is saying the Duke of Milan, that is Prospero, who was the righteous Duke of Milan. He is saying the Duke of Milan and his brave daughter can control you, can control Ferdinand. If now you were fit to do it, if now you are appropriate, if you are fit enough to be controlled. At the first sight, at the first view, they have changed eyes. They have changed eyes means they have had eye contact with each other. They have fallen in love with each other. Delicate Ariel, I will set thee free for this. Delicate means fragile or humble Ariel. I will set thee free for this means I will set you free for this act. Ferdinand, a word, good sir. I fear you have done yourself some wrong. A word. Just a word from you, good sir. I think that you are asserting yourself to be the king of Naples. You have spoken something wrong. Now he has said in his he had said in his speech that he was the Duke of Milan. Then he is saying that then he is actually addressing to Ferdinand. Previously in this speech only, Prospero had said that since he is a Duke of Milan, he and his daughter can control Ferdinand. Then again he is addressing to Ferdinand and he is saying that I think you have spoken something wrong about Duke of Milan. And he is saying that I think you are assuming yourself to be the king of Naples. Miranda, why speaks my father so ungently? Why speaks my father so rudely, so unpleasantly? This is the first man that I ever saw, the first that I ever sighed for, Pity move my father to be inclined my way. Now Miranda is saying, why are you speaking in such a rude manner to this man, in such an unkind manner to this man? This is the third man that I ever met in the life and whom I expressed my sympathy. And then she is saying that may my father's heart be also filled with compassion, may my father's heart be also filled with sympathy, to feel for him just as I do, to have the same sympathy just as I am having for this man, Ferdinand. Ferdinand, oh, if a virgin, if you are still a virgin, and your affection not gone forth, I will make you the queen of Naples. If you are still a virgin and love to be anybody's else and love to marry anybody else, then I will marry and make you queen of Naples. Then I will definitely marry you and make you queen of Naples. Prospero, soft sir means do not hurry, do not be in hurry at all, do not hurry. One more word, they are both one more word, I have something more to tell you. Now again he is saying this aside. They are both in either powers, but this swift business means they are in love with each other, but this quick business, but this quick progress, you can say, business means progress, I must uneasy means he is saying that this quick progress that their relationship is making, it is very discomfortable to me. I am not very comfortable with this quick progress. Make the prize light, lest too light winning, make the prize light. Now he is saying they are they are in love with each other. I must put difficulties in their way in order to make them in order to make them achieve their prize, in order to achieve their goal, that is in order to achieve each other, and put some price on it, put some put some task to it before they achieve what they want to do. Ferdinand. Now Prospero has started addressing towards Ferdinand and he is saying, one more word I will charge thee, that thou attend me. Thou dost here usurp. Write down the meaning of the usurp: unlawfully. The name thou owest not, that the name thou owest not means the name that you do not possess, had and hast put thyself upon this island as a spy. As a spy means as an undercover agent to win it, to conquer it from me, the Lord on it. Now Prospero is telling Ferdinand that one more word if you do, then I will charge you for it, because you have come here unlawfully and you are yourself assuming to be king of Naples. That is wrong, because I don't think you are king of Naples, and you have been put to this island, you have been brought to this island by someone has sent you to be a secret agent to that person, and to tell them how this island is being and to tell him how this island is being governed by me, so that he can also conquer this island and take this island away from me. Ferdinand, no, as I am a man. No, I am not a man with such intention. I am not a man who wants such. No, I say on my honor, that is, I have no such intention. I have no such claim. Miranda, there is nothing ill can dwell in such a temple. In such a temple means in such a spiritual figure. Miranda says that there is nothing which can dwell in such a spiritual figure. If the ill spirit have so fair a house, if the ill spirit have so handsome individual figure, good things will strive to dwell within it. If such a spirit is called the evil spirit, then obviously I think all the good things will try to dwell upon such evil spirits only. Actually, she is praising Ferdinand. Prospero to Ferdinand, follow me, speak not you for him, he is a traitor. Now he is addressing to Ferdinand. He is saying, follow me, and then he is telling Miranda that you should not speak on his behalf, because he is a conspirator. He is a conspirator. Traitor means conspirator. Come, I will manacle, means I will tie down. Manacle means tie down, chain down. I will chain their neck and feet together. I will chain your feet and neck together. Sea water shall thou drink. You will drink the sea water, and thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels. Right, and your food shall be incredible amount of or variety of fishes that are there in the sea. With the roots and husk, the plants and the roots here will be your food, wherein the acorn cradle follow. Write down. So you will have all those whatever grains are here. You will have them. Now you come with me, and I will chain you.